Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is March 28th and the chart of the day for today is the Dow. This is Dow Future 60 minutes time frame. Let's take a look what we got here, guys. Now the US indices probably is quite in a tough sort of situation right now since we top up last time earlier this year. In January, we've been sort of selling off with the initial leg down here in a 5 waves, right? And now we started to recover a little bit. The recovery, as you can see in the 1 hour, is so far only a 3 waves, which is still not yet confirming this is really the beginning of something bigger, because 3 waves can always be just a ABC and it fails and go down, right? But we would like to be on the side of what has prevailed in the past many years, which is the upside. So that's why in the shorter cycle we are currently adopting a more bullish posture. But as you can see, the arrow is only turning up, not green, which is basically to say that we don't actually have a bullish evidence, right? We don't have a bullish sequence of bullish evidence in the shorter cycle. Now of course it is bullish in the larger time frame, but it doesn't mean we cannot, let's say we can always do a bigger double correction from here. So 5, let's say 3 5 like this, and then find another support at the next 100% extension, right? But for now, like I said, we would prefer to adopt a more bullish bias for now, to go with the whatever works in the past many years, right? So as you can see here, we are actually, this peak here is above this peak, marginally above. So there are two options here. Either we are actually doing a flat, because this move down is a 5 waves. So I'm trying to show you on the daily time frame what happened, right? So it's either this way. Now in that case we can start to go higher, right? Or another option is simply, if you move it here, then because it is a 3 waves, it is a 5 waves down here, then you can actually label it as an A and this is a B, and then we're going to go down later on. Now we still can do, just because we can go down doesn't mean we will go down it right away. We can still do something like this. We can still do 5 3 5 like this, right? 1 2 3 4 5 3 5, and then fail like this. So I guess you can see, when you are currently sideways trapped within this range, there's so many different possibilities that can happen. But the idea here for now is that we would prefer to be on the side that has worked in the past many years. So we're calling it more upside while it stays above 47.25. Now what I can say is the following: if we can get another leg up above this peak, I think that will actually gives us a little bit more confidence that we can see a bit more upside, because a 5 swing up from the lows typically implies further upside is in store if we can see a 5 swing, right? 5 swing is a motive sequence. Now you might say, well, this one 4 overlap with 1. Well, that's okay, because the move up can be a wave 1 in the larger degree or a wave A in the larger degree. So overlap is not a problem, as long as wave 5 is going to be shorter than wave 3. Then as long as wave 3 is not the shortest wave, then that is allowed. Okay, so for now, I think if you want a better sort of confirmation, then once it makes a 5 swing up from here, I think we can say that most likely we can get one more leg up, because 5 swing suggests more likely than not we can extend, since it is a motive sequence, right? So 5 swing up is going to favor more upside, but for as of right now it's only a 3 swing up, right? So we still need a little bit more confirmation whether or not we are ready to extend to the upside. All right, so that's the update here from the Dow, and I'll see you all again next time. And if you do want to check more regular updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. and see you all again next time.